Hello guys, welcome to KB tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to go to the bottom of web page when you are automating any web applications in UiPath RPS. So for this to traverse to the bottom of the web page, we are going to use inject.js activity. So inject.js script is an activity which is present in UiPath where you can manually inject any JavaScript into the web page. So this is usually used, like let's say you have a web page like this and you want to do some kind of operation and which is in the bottom of the web page. Let's say I'm clicking on this locations which is not there but here, and you need to come down to the web page and you need to click on the locations. Okay, when you are trying to automate when like this in most of the automation scripts, this will directly go to the bottom and it will click on the locations. But when you are trying to change the browser, or also when you are trying to change the environment, let's say in my case which I recently faced is like when I try to execute the same script in VDI. So in VDI I have this Google Chrome and I have to do the similar kind of operation where I need to open the web page, come to the bottom of web page and click on some web page, some button, so that it will do some action. So what is happening for me is like it is loading, but the web page is stuck here only, in the top only, it is not going to the bottom. So I have to change my code manually. Like first of all, once it is loading, I have to go down to the bottom of web page, then wait for some time, then identify the element and click on it. Actually, this is happened in Selenium WebDriver for me, but I thought why don't we implement the similar concept in UiPath and why don't we simulate the same concepts here, because at the end of the day both are used for automation. I have developed a small demo, so I'll just show you once, then we'll see how we can implement. So here now you can see web page is loaded. Now you can see it went to the bottom of the web page and it is waiting for some time. So this is my demo guys, so I'll show you how we can use these scenarios. So to develop this, what I have used is inject.js script. Okay, so let me try to explain it from the beginning. So bottom of web page. So for this I'll use open browser activity to open a browser and I will navigate to the web page. So let's say I'm taking it as a facebook.com. Okay, so if I execute here, it won't go to the bottom of web page, it will directly stay there in the top. Okay, now you can see it is staying in the top. Okay, let me try to show it in a code. But in our case we need to go to the bottom of the web page. So to how we can implement that, now you can see it is in the top, I want to go to the bottom. So to do this, what I'll do is I'll use this activity called inject.js script activity. Inject.js script is nothing but it will now you can see I am injecting this particular thing here. Okay, so value of the, so here yes. So now what I'll do is into this web page I'm injecting this JavaScript. To go to the bottom of the web page, what I'll do is function here document. So first let's go and google it out, what is the logic to go to the bottom of web page. This is a logic guys, simply window dot scroll to, this you don't need to remember, just type how to go to the bottom of the web page using JavaScript. So simply copy paste those lines here, that's it. So here simple lines, I'll just again show you, we have to create one function first of all, so that I am doing. Okay, I am doing this function creation, then window dot scroll to of the height is changing because the y factor is a height is changing whereas x factor is remains same, so it will go, the x factor is remaining same and height is changing, so it will go directly in a vertical line. That's how we will traverse down to the web page. So just to see how it is happening, I'll just use here something called wait, what is that, delay activity, yeah, delay activity, sorry, just mention something like 10 seconds. Here in for inject.js you can invoke this JS from the file also, that we are going to see in some other demo guys. This is a basic demo that I want to show you guys. Now you can see it is loading a web page. Now it will come bottom of the web page and waiting for the 10 seconds. In your case you have to do, you want to do some operations, that also you can do here. I'll do one thing, I'll just try to click on this location. So it is waiting for 10 seconds I believe. Okay, yeah, given 10 minutes. So let me change that. Now it will come down and it will wait for the 10 seconds of time. Now I'll just use something called click activity here. I'll go to the bottom of web page and click on this cookies. Okay, then target and see. Okay, right. Now let me run this. Now it is invoked the web page. It should come to the bottom and here it is waiting for the 10 seconds of time. Then it try to click on that cookies link. Now you can see it clicked on this cookies. We got this cookies and other storage. So this is how we can use inject.js script to come to the bottom of web page. I hope this activity is useful for you guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you more on this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.